So how do you join a Google Meet link through your iPad? Let's get started. So essentially, you need to make sure you have the Google Meet app installed on your iPad, right? So just go to the App Store, install it if you don't have it already. And even if you do, well, you can just update it to get the latest features of everything. But once you do have that, you can basically just use the link directly, right? So people should most definitely share with you a clickable link, which of course you can click that and it will redirect you inside of the Google Meet app. Obviously, it has to be installed. And if not, it's going to use the browser, but it's much better through the app. And in there, you can see that it's going to open up the Google Meet and you can basically just connect right away. So it's pretty much just that simple. Obviously, your Google Meet app should already be signed in with your Google account to have everything ready. And in that case, clicking on the link will get you to the app instantly and you can join that meeting right away. So if there are some complications you came across while using this feature, go ahead and share your experience below in the comments. Perhaps me or someone else might be able to assist you with this. So most definitely do that, and also subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll see you in the future.